Alrighty, Richard Meyer, can't go wrong.
Yes.
Although it's tough, it is tough. The title is Yumiweeus. Taken slowly, it's you, me, we, us. So it's all about how music unites us all, pretty much. Measure 30, I wrote a note to myself. It's 3 plus 3 plus 2. I'm just going to conduct it in 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, da 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 da. No, that's not it. So maybe I should do 1, 1, fast 1. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. Whee! If we make it to 49, this is a feeling variation, pretty much, and each variation often features the principal stand of each section in a duet. So we got any takers on a viola duet? Because we might get that far. 49.
I'll play one of them.
You'll play one of them. You got the other? Cool. And we get the drum on the front of the instrument, basses and cellos. Alrighty. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Oh boy. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. There you go, number 6. Okay. I'm going to conduct in 4. Seems to make sense. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still conducting in 5. Conduct once a year. Give me a break.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Dave Brubeck, where are you when I need you? Let's move on. Okay, you want to do it? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Here we go. But each variation does have the principal stand. Nice job, guys. Yeah.